welcome to another Duffels unboxing video. This one is for the Souber Tools Tilt Before Turn opening kit. So this is another one of the boxed kits specifically designed to open a failed mechanism, in this case on a tilt before turn window. Part of a range of kits Souber Tools offer. There's a door spreader kit, a window kit, there are other kits coming. And in the new range there's the advanced window kit with the additional items in there. This is a specific version of the opener kit. This specific version aimed at tackling failed mechanisms, tilt before turn, tilt and turn windows. So we're going to do a quick unboxing video and show you everything you get in the kit. And one of the first things you'll see, there's some literature in here similar to what's included in some of the other kits. There's a little bit of a Souber product overview with some of the other items Souber Tools manufacture and supply. All of this can be found in stock at Duffels. And then there's a helpful kit contents page. It tells you everything that's included in the kit. Gives you a bit of an overview, make sure you know where everything goes, etc. So the kit itself, start off with, we've got these scotia guards. We'll work through in the order you'd use the tools. So these scotia guards used to protect the profile while you're working. There's two versions, they're quite long versions, and there's a standard and a deep scotia guard. So these are used to protect the plastic profile while you're working with the other tools, and depending on the profile of the window you're using, you may need either the standard or the deep, both included in this kit. Once you've got your profile protected, there's the starter tool included in this kit. This is also in some of the other kits. Very handy tool used to just start off getting some separation between the sash and the frame so that you can get the other tools in. The next tool you'd be getting in there would be the spreader tool. Spreader tool comes in two parts as supplied in this kit. So you've got the actual spreader tool and the spreader tool handle. These are threaded items that couple together. And these are a very, very effective spreader tool that people have had some great success with. They're very well liked spreader tools. Once you've got that separation, the next thing you'd put in would be the wedges. This kit contains 3 of these plastic wedges. They're specifically designed to work well to keep that separation open so that you can then remove the spreader tool from the situation and remain with that window open of access so that you can get your tools in to manipulate the tilt before turn hardware. This is what you would use to do that. So this is the mushroom striker tool. This would be what you get over the mushroom, over the roller on the failed mechanism, and then manipulate it or hit it with a hammer, strike it back to get the mechanism moving again. There is a vacant space in this box. So there's a vacant space there that is available to house an optional extra that you can add into the kit. It's actually listed on this kit content. So the optional extra, deep striker, deep mushroom striker. So this tool, very similar to the standard one, but with longer prongs, just gives you the ability to access it. If on some profiles you need a deeper striker tool, if you're working from the other side of the window, perhaps if there's something that you are struggling to quite get on with the standard one, this can be ordered and can be housed in the kit. It doesn't come as standard, it's an optional extra, but that will also be available. So if you are finding that the standard mushroom striker on the windows you're coming against isn't quite making it to the roller, you're having the difficulty, that's something you can add in to make that a little bit easier. So that's the standard kit inside the Souber Tilt Before Turn opening kit. And this is available at Duffels. And I hope that unboxing video has made that a little bit clearer as to what you get in that kit.